Hey friend, hey, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to start selling drop shipping websites, step by step, the ultimate guide. So this is what you'll be learning. What is a drop shipping website? Benefits of selling drop shipping websites, finding your niche, your business name, making a logo, platforms to sell your websites on, designing websites, vendors, and getting sales plus more. So what is a dropshipping website? When you have a pre-made website already designed that comes synced with that vendor, meaning the client doesn't have to hold the inventory, the vendors will sync the items once the customer gets a sale. So pretty much, you are designing a website, but you are also seeking a dropshipping vendor. But this is a couple reasons why to start selling dropshipping websites. It's a digital business. You can unleash your creativity and you're helping people start their own business because you're syncing a dropshipping vendor. So yes, you are making their website, you're a graphic designer, but you are syncing a vendor. This is a side hustle nobody talks about, and I'm now helping others do the same. So yeah. I'm going to explain what dropshipping is as well, just like a more of a picture. But this is a great side hustle if you want to learn a new skill. I am teaching others. And dropshipping, explain, is when a customer places an order on your client's website, and then they place that order on the supplier website, which is their vendor, and the vendor will ship the item to their customer. So this is a great way for people to start a business, when they don't have the money. So if I wanted to start a boutique and I had $0 or little to no money, just a few, maybe $50 to $100, and I don't have to hold inventory, I will buy a dropshipping boutique. So that is where we come in. So if you want to download my free guide, which is linked in the description, how to start selling dropshipping websites checklist, it is free. All you have to do is pretty much scroll to the bottom of my website. You would enter your email address, and then you'll scroll back up to the free checklist. You'll add to cart and enter code FREE at the very end of checkout, all caps FREE, so you can get this free checklist. Next will be finding your niche. What type of dropshipping websites will you be selling? Are you doing dog collars, one product stores? My niche is more like fashion, boutique, hair, and I do make like a digital product store as well. But Shopify has a great blog of how to find your niche in 6 easy steps. Shopify got like a lot of good freebies, like just so y'all know, but I'll link it down below. So pretty much, how to find your niche in 6 easy steps, and they go over that. So check the link for that in the description. And then next will be finding your business name. If you're having a hard time coming up with your business name, again, Shopify, they have a free domain name generator. So I would type in Digital Girl Products, right? Let's say I want that to be the name of my business, my website. I'll click search and it'll tell me if the domain is available. Be sure to check all socials as well, like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, just to see, Then I will click that. It's available $15 a year. So that's how much it costs to have a domain. And that's where you can come up with a business name. That's a random name. I might make a pre-made digital product store actually with that name. I like that. Next will be a logo. Canva. Canva is the backbone of your business. I am on Canva Pro, but they do have free logos. Do not resell these. Like, these are templates like you can use for your own business. If you were to make a logo for your pre-made stores, you do have to like change it in some way or create a custom logo, which is what I do. But yeah, these are where you can get some logos for your business, for your website. So be sure to play with the templates. It's pretty easy. Plug and play. Some are free, some are paid. But yeah, make a Canva account. Next will be Just let you guys know, I do have an option where I can make your whole pre-made website business. It is an investment. It's a package. It's $4.97. I will make your whole pre-made website business for you. It comes with like 4 websites you could resell, over 100 templates. Also comes with my course that's included for free. So check the link in the description if you want to know more about my dropshipping website package where I make the websites for you and your whole business. So click the link in the description for that. And next, you need a platform to sell your websites on, of course. I use Shopify. It is $29 a month. They do have $1 the first free month. You can also check out Gumroad and Beacons. Those are 2 other free websites if you want to use. But of course, I use Shopify. I'm a Shopify girly. Next is your bread and butter. This is where you are going to design all y'all websites. Okay. Shopify partners, make an account, join, it's free. This is how you will send your website to your clients by email. And this is how you will create the websites. So I'll link a description down below. of my designing playlist, so you could, learn how to design. Like I said, I do have a lot of freebies on my playlist YouTube channel if you want to learn how to design as well. But yeah, make a Shopify partner account. You need this. Next would be my course. So I do have my course. It is on pre-sale for $47. Link in the description. It is a step-by-step video tutorial. If you need like step-by-step and you still are confused, I would definitely check out my course. Pre-sale ends June 1st. It would be $97 after that, but it is on sale for $47. I will teach you how to create and sell dropshipping websites and how I get sales, all that good stuff, step by step. So if you need that, link in the description. Next, you're going to need vendors. I will link my vendors playlist as well from YouTube. Everything I sell, I go over for free on YouTube as well, just so you know. But these vendors will be linked down below. You need vendors if you're making dropshipping websites. So check out the description down below. And then, you need vendors to sync with the website. So like I said, my YouTube channel, there's tons of freebies, courses. I have design videos, hair. As you can see, I got fashion. I even have videos before how to create and sell dropshipping websites, but now I'm doing step-by-step my design lab series, So definitely check out the description for all links, tutorials, and if you have any questions, leave them down below. I think selling dropshipping websites is a great side hustle. I've already made like $10,000. So if you looking for a new skill, like I said, learn to sell websites, sis. This is a different type of graphic designer people are not talking about. This is like free game, and I don't have no problem mentioning it. So make an account, Shopify partner, start designing, and start selling the websites. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.